Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up recurring payments in QuickBooks Desktop. First, navigate to the Customer's menu and select Create Invoices. This feature allows you to automate repetitive transactions, saving you valuable time each month. You can schedule invoices, bills, and other transactions to recur at specific intervals, ensuring your business operations run smoothly and efficiently. This easy method helps maintain consistent cash flow and reduces manual entry errors. To create a recurring transaction template, open an existing invoice or bill that you wish to automate. Go to the Edit menu and select Memorize Transaction. Here, you can specify the frequency, such as weekly, monthly, or annually, and set the number of remaining payments. This template will then automatically generate the transactions based on your chosen schedule, streamlining your billing process and ensuring you never miss a payment or an invoice. After memorizing the transaction, you can further customize its details. Adjust the payment amounts, due dates, and any other relevant information to fit your specific needs. You'll also set the start date for the recurring payments and can optionally specify an end date if the payments are for a fixed period. Once all details are confirmed, review your settings and save the recurring payment schedule. This ensures accuracy and consistency for all future transactions. You can easily manage all your memorized transactions by navigating to the Lists menu and selecting Memorize Transaction List. From here, you have full control to edit any existing template, update details, or even delete a recurring payment if it's no longer needed. This flexibility ensures your automated payments always reflect your current business requirements. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Setting up recurring payments in QuickBooks Desktop is a powerful way to enhance efficiency and maintain financial organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.